Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been forever since I posted a video, so we're doing another cooking video. We're gonna be making some cookies. So, should we get started?
Woo!
Okay, so what's our first step?
Okay, so we have two cookie mixes. Our first step is to put them both into this bowl.
Okay, I can do that.
One
Could you hold the camera real quick? Oh. Do I need scissors?
Is there? No, you can just rip it. You want me to rip it for you?
Yeah.
Switch.
Hehe.
Ready?
Let's rip both of them.
Just like that.
Oh, you could just do that.
Pour it right in.
Chocolate chip cookie.
All right. One there. In they go. Oh. Going out a little slower.
How much of that stuff is there in there?
I don't know, but I know there's gonna be a lot of cookies for a lot of people here.
Yeah.
Come on.
How is that thing?
Come on. All right. I think that's
There's so much in that thing.
Look at this mountain.
How's that even possible?
This.
This is gonna be some
But
good.
I know they're gonna be good. Woo. All
This
right,
reminds
you know
me-
the second step?
What is it? Pour the butter in?
We have our melted butter.
Eat the butter?
Pour the butter in.
So just eat?
Yep. All in. Yep. Put that in the sink. So
Put this in the sink.
what about a mixing spoon? Where can we find that, you think?
A mixing what? A whisk?
Yeah, a whisk or maybe
Uh,
another kind of spoon. Oh,
um,
in here. Maybe this guy.
we could use it as a substitute.
Think that works?
Yeah, it can work.
Okay.
So hold this.
One mix.
So do I just?
We're gonna mix this just a little bit, and then we're gonna add in our eggs.
And then it's gonna become cookie dough or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
I love cookie dough.
So good.
I kind of like it better than the cookie, honestly.
When it's nice and raw like that.
This is not a very good whisk, but it's gonna have to do.
But it's gonna work. We can make it work.
I guess. Or maybe not. It's got-
Yeah, maybe chop that up. Maybe we need to add in our eggs now.
Okay.
More liquid, right?
Eggs.
Let me pull out the bag. I'm gonna set this down.
Well, I guess this fell over, so I'm gonna have to eat it.
Oh, that's a chunk of butter. Oh, don't put it back now.
Well,
Wait.
see you guys when we got what we needed. So, who's gonna add the eggs? You just crack them and pour them.
Yep, just crack them.
It's like a specific thing about the yolk.
Nope.
Eat it.
Just like that. Perfect.
Perfection.
Look at that crack.
Perfect.
Video?
Yeah, sure.
When we get it started, get it mixing.
So what's next? We just mix it again,
So now we're gonna mix it. This is the ultra mix. Now we need to really all of it to combine
and then it becomes
together.
cookie dough.
And then hopefully it will become good. Break that up.
That looks so good. But we need a whisk.
This could work too.
I guess. But a whisk would work better.
See, look.
I guess it is.
See it? How many does it say it makes?
I've got no clue.
Do you see it on the back?
Um, I'm looking, I don't think it does.
No.
Okay, it says if we want it to be regular size, we put it to 8 to 10 minutes in the oven, and if we want it to be large, 9 to 11.
I think regular size is good. What do you think?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so too. We're not here for jumbo cookies.
Everyone can get a little piece.
By a little piece, we mean a jumbo. Okay, no, just a cookie. Everybody gets a cookie or 2 cookies. I'm not sure.
I think it would be better if we use our hands for it.
Oh yeah, but wouldn't that be super germy?
We're gonna wash them. So we're gonna have to roll them up, right?
Oh, for like, I thought you meant whisking. Okay, time to taste test the cookie dough. That's some good cookie dough. Well, I just might as well take a little bit more. And a little bit of this This is good. So we're gonna put it in the oven now?
Not yet.
Well, what do we gotta do next then?
We have to make them into little cookies.
Oh yeah,
Right?
Okay guys, we're gonna cut it and then we're gonna do a cool time lapse.
Ooh, that's fun.
So, see you guys next time. Hi guys, we're about to eat this thing in the oven. We're pretty much done.
Yeah, who's that? Who's that?
Now I'm gonna get demonetized now.
Monetized.
taking a time lapse of the oven?
Now, we're gonna set the oven for 9 minutes.
Like the timer should be on.
And then, yeah. Then we're gonna take it out. It's gonna be good cookies, I think. So, oh yeah. And what's the temperature you think? What's the temperature that we're supposed to set it at?
375.
And we're setting it at 375 degrees. So, see you guys when it's done. These cookies are done. Look at them. Are they still hot? They're really hot. Ooh, they're really hot.
What's going on behind you there? Are they? Can you check the ones that are still in the? Can you
Ooh,
turn
they're
around?
super hot, guys. So, yeah, if you want them to cool down, you gotta like and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you'll never miss another video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.